All right, so how to unclog a bathroom sink in less than 10 minutes and without the snake. Let's dive in. Actually, let's walk over it. It's sewage. Let's go. All right, let's start with a plumbing tip. So open your faucet and count how many seconds before it start getting backed up. So if let's say it starts getting clogged once you open it in 3 seconds, like in right here, you can you can tell that it's not pretty far away. It's just inches under the sink, right? So that's a trick. If it takes 30 seconds, now you go further, maybe further down the P trap. First things first, we're going to put a bucket under the P trap. We're also going to need a flashlight. Now we're going to remove the retaining nut. Notice that it's plastic. You don't need any tools. So just remove it. Make sure you have some gloves. Once we remove the rod from the bottom, we go ahead and pull up the stopper. And we can now verify why this is getting clogged 3 seconds after you open the faucet, right? So now we're going to go ahead and remove the P-trap. I'll explain some stuff later on the video, but let's go ahead and remove the P-trap. We want to go ahead and remove the P-trap for two reasons. One, because we want to inspect it, make sure it's clean. If it's not, of course, clean it. Most likely it's going to be dirty like this one. And also because when you're cleaning on the top, you want to make sure that none of the debris or hair, whatever, goes back into the drain. We don't want that. Otherwise, it's going to get clogged further down and it's going to be harder to take out, right? The moment I did this service call, it was pouring rain outside here in LA and Los Angeles. So I just went ahead and put the P-track back and just ran hot water, as you can see here. But you can just skip that and go outside and just clean it with your hose. That's why I put it back and just rinsed it off with hot water. And as you can see, it came out pretty clean. All right. Now that we have removed the hair from the top, cleaned it pretty good, ran some water for the P-trap and the pop-up assembly, we're ready to put everything back. So I'm going to remove my bucket, and as you can see, I'm putting back everything back together. My P-trap. So we're going to make sure that everything is nice and back to its place. Put the P-track back. One thing I'm going to remind you is you don't need channel locks. You don't need tools. It's plastic. If you over tie it with tools, you're just going to break it. So as you can see right here, all I do is use my forge. I already kind of know my hand. So whatever my hand takes, that's about it. Then I inspect it, as I'm going to do in a few seconds. This right here, we're gonna put that stopper back, make sure it goes in the correct position, just like I did. Now we're gonna go ahead and put back everything. We're gonna put a rod, we're gonna put a mounting nut. As you can see right here, again, don't use any tools. You use tools, you're gonna break your stuff. All right, so please don't do. Just like I said at the beginning of the video, no snaking required. That means also no tools required for this job. At this point, I'm going to double check everything, make sure everything is nice and tight. Or because I removed my bucket, I have more space. I go check every single thing that probably I could have removed. I check my pop-up assembly, check the stopper, make sure it goes up and down. Now I'm going to test it out. And the way I'm going to test it is first I'm going to run water, make sure that no leak. I'm going to start touching. I'm going to remove my gloves. I'm going to start touching the bottom P-trap and everything. But also, the second thing I do is I put my stopper down and run water. Make sure that I have enough water so then I let it go once, and it's gonna have a lot of water gushing, trying to go down the drain. So I'm trying to like provoke, right? A lot of water to go down the drain, so that way, testing my P trap, testing all my joints, making sure that everything is nice and sealed, nice and tight. So as you can see right here, and also you check on the back right there and your rod, everything looks nice and neat. You can probably want to check your hoses if so. I have other videos for that too. Again, checking, keep on checking. I always check 1, 2, or 3 times, make sure that everything looks nice and neat. All right. Once everything is done, yep, you're gonna go ahead and just clean up, man, because happy wife, happy life, right? So make sure you clean up after yourself. And that's it. By the way, my name is Kevin the Plumber, and if you want to see more videos, check this one out.